I did try 3Sum before. I did look up, maybe I'll try it. I did try before, and I couldn't do better than like n cubed, but I did look up a solution that was explained using words, not code. So maybe I can attempt to see if I truly understood it, because I think that's the most important thing, is actually understanding the solutions. So I think we need to keep track of the result. And then we do for let I equals 0, I is less than num.length, I plus. And we need to sort it first. Because we're going to use a greedy algorithm to solve it. And then we have to say let left equal I plus 1 and right equal nums dot length minus 1. And then something like while left is not equal to right. Yeah, not equals. And then we'll do const sum equals num sub I plus num sub left plus num sub right. If sum equals 0, result dot push an array with num sub I, nums sub left, nums sub right. Excellent. And then if we do find a match, we need to say, we need to do left plus plus and right plus minus minus. And we also need to start skipping things, so we gotta do while. Actually, we could probably do it later. There's no point of processing something we've already done. So we could do while left num sub left equals num sub left minus 1. Left plus plus. So basically, if we've already tried this sum, we're just gonna skip it. And we need to do something similar for the right. Except it's all opposite. And we need to do a little bit more. We need to do else if sum is less than 0. So if sum is less than 0, that means that we just don't have enough of a value, which means since it's sorted, we need to bring the leftover one to increase our sum. Otherwise, we need to change our right. Something like that. Well, apparently we ran out of time. We'll do less than. Just yeah, less than, because they could be right next to each other and then switch because of this. And then it just runs forever. Let's log a little bit. Oh. Right, minus. Alright, what's the issue? That we have a duplicate. In theory, this was supposed to help prevent duplicates. I'll do a console log of nums as well. Num sub left equals num sub left minus 1. Then we go left. Remove the left pointer. Num sub right equals num sub right plus 1. So we'll get rid of this, we'll run it. Okay, so -1, -0, 1. We'll have -0, 1 and -0, 1. So these actually need to come first. And last. Let's just try this. I think we would kind of get like an out of bounds issue. Okay, and so this just ends up skipping everything. So I guess we have to do this here as well. No. Okay, I don't think it's num. I think rather than doing this, we need to say I++ here. And then we have to do while I num sub I minus 1 equals num sub I. We'll do more I++s at the end. right. Okay, submit it. No, wrong answer. Oh my gosh. It's sorting it like strings. Wait, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't. But I was looking at this, not this. Wait, let me try that again. Yeah, it's not sorting it properly. It's like -1 comes before -2. I mean, this is actually correct. But now it's incrementing -2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we do need this here. And then we end up with another issue. And we are missing-ish an element. So I got -1, 0, 1, which should be the last thing. So I'm missing -1, -1, 2. So why am I missing -1, -1, 2? Oh, wait, -1, -1, 2. I should have gotten it. Because when I get to here, it should be -1, -1, 3. That'd be -2, +1. Which would... It should bring the right down by 1. Oh my gosh. Okay. My bad. We only do this here. No, but we also do it here. No. It's a lot of code, I will admit, but it works. I wonder if the log hurts us. Okay. Alright, I'm curious what the better solutions look like. I'm glad that I did that because it shows that I did understand the problem solution. Whoa. Whoa. They prevent duplicates this way. Oh, so they like avoided the whole while loop thing and instead did this, which is somehow faster. I wouldn't have thought that like creating an array of strings, converting them to a single string would be so fast, but apparently it is. Okay, at any rate, let's see. This seems like the most attempted solution. So you only do this here. You don't have to do it here or here. I guess that. But why wouldn't you do it? Because like, if it is the same, you're just trying the same thing all over again. So what you're telling me is you don't have to do this, you don't have to do this. I mean, they also didn't do this. Why did I have to do that and they didn't? Oh, it's n-2. Why is it n-2? And then the right is... Oh my gosh. That's right. We can't go all the way to the end. We can't even go next to the end. We can't... Interesting. I totally forgot about that aspect. That we're basically going out of bounds with the array. Okay, then I was wondering why... Can we get rid of that? If not, then how did they not need it? How did they get away with not doing that step? Oh, they did it just like this, though. Okay, I think I'm pretty clear on this one. Maybe try this.